Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial I will show you the great way to master any keyboard shortcut key. Very simple. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about free stuff like this. So that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your browser and come to this particular website right here, shortcutsworld.com. On getting to this site, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to shortcuts. Then you have a variety of different software, different fashion of shortcuts that you can learn right here. Now, if you are using Windows laptop, what you need to do is to navigate to Windows. Then you have all shortcut key from different software under Windows PC. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and choose any of the shortcut key you want to learn. Okay, so you can simply scroll down, and the more you scroll down, the more software is going to load up. All right, so let's, for instance, we want to learn some of the shortcut key in Audacity for Windows laptop. What you need to do is to simply navigate to Audacity right here. Then you have Audacity shortcut key present in two ways. The first one here is Audacity for Linux. The second here is Audacity for Windows. Audacity for Windows shortcut key is about 128. Next thing you need to do, if you are using Windows, simply click on Audacity for Windows laptop. Then everything is going to be dropped down just like so. Now you have Ctrl+N, which is new document. Ctrl+O is to open a file. Ctrl+W is to close a window. Ctrl+V is to save. Ctrl+Shift+I is to import audio file. Ctrl+Shift+I is to export audio file. Ctrl+Shift+L is to export multiple files from Audacity. Ctrl+Q is to exit from there. Then the section 2 here is edit menu. So you can read and digest some of this shortcut key for Audacity. So once you are able to learn this, you can switch to another software as the case may be. So there are over 120 something shortcut key for Windows under the Audacity software. So if you want to check on the Linux, just come to the top right here. You have a Linux right here. Click on that. Then you are going to see all the 33 shortcut key for Linux for Audacity software. So basically, this method applicable to every software that you really want to learn about their shortcut key. This is what I have for you as far as how to master any shortcut key keyboard, whether you are using Windows PC or you are using Mac or you are using Linux. Consider watch this video from beginning to the end. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.